Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
So don't go away. We've got a beautiful property to show you coming up.
Beachy Beach.
Let's check out this gorgeous new construction. I'm over here in the open concept living and dining area. No carpet to worry about. And this gorgeous center island, quartz, countertops, white cabinetry, plenty of space for your pots and pans, stainless steel appliances, everything that you can think of. Very nice neutral palette, and as you go into the living room, you're gonna notice recessed lighting, the tray ceiling, all these extras that make this new construction over on the East End perfect. Let's go see Heather and see what's going on in the bedrooms.
Welcome into the main bedroom. All of the items that Britt was explaining is carried right over here into the main bedrooms. You've got your tray ceiling. You've got these LVPs that are carried through, and you can add your little carpet or just not have any at all. This floor plan offers a main bedroom in the back and split bedrooms up front in 3. Let's go check out this beautiful ensuite. It's just kind of the cherry on top. You've got your dual sinks with that quartz carried throughout and this expansive shower. Isn't this perfect? Beautifully designed. Absolutely, and for more information, always look in that description below and you can find the listing link for all those details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com, so that you don't miss out on any future deals like this one.